Hello everyone, welcome to AI with Dhruv. So in this video, I will tell you how you can create RAG workflow with the help of Supabase. All right, in my last video, I have explained how we can do this with Pinecon and so many other databases. In this video, we'll see how we can do this with Supabase. All right, so for this, of course, what we need a Supabase account along with that N10 workflow account. With the help of that, we can create this RAG agent. So let me show you what it does. Whenever I'll go in chat, let me refresh this and let me show you something great. Hey, can you tell me about Dhruv? Okay, and here you will be able to see, yeah, it's thinking, and now it will go over here. It will get the data that already I uploaded, and then it will answer based on that. Not only this is also updating memory inside, the Supabase, so we can use later on. Hey, Dhruv Tomar is a senior sales leader turned AI automation not founder, but yeah, I have added in my document that the reason who operates under the brand AI with Dhruv. He describes himself not as an academic researcher but as a builder, operator, and executor. Here are my key things to know about him. Current role: professional, senior sales head at SaaS company in the construction tech domain. Educator, he teaches automation, especially focusing on full stack automation with a heavy emphasis on N8N. Founder, he is currently building AI with Dhruv, transitioning from sales leadership into the AI automation space. So core philosophy: executions over planning, dislike, focus, technical tools to stack N8N, channels, email, and LinkedIn for executions, technical glue, Replit, and all those things. Future layers, lovable for. So current goal, he is currently in transition phase, moving towards selling automation services, consulting externally. This long-term vision involves a staged journey towards building a SaaS company, starting by perfecting and documenting internal documentation system that drive real business outcome. All right. So how this is doing exactly? So if I'll go in my drive and I'll show you the document. So this is the document that I have uploaded. Okay, you can see. So you can see purpose of this document: identity, like Dhruv, sales leader turned AI into automation founder. So it is taking everything from here and answering me with the help of Supabase. All right. So how we have created the workflow, let me show you. So first of all, we need this particular Google Drive. So we have to search over here Google Drive, and we need to download the file. To download the file, we have multiple options. Okay, we can purchase from list, ID, URL, whatever we want. If I'll go here and let me copy the link for this ID and let me take you here. If I'll just go through URL, I'll paste and I'll go in my ID and okay, so something went wrong. Let me see over here. Let's copy, share, and copy link. Let me go again over here. We copy and paste and execute. Okay, and here you can see we got the same file, Dhruv Tomar AI with Dhruv. All right. So what I did is exactly just I downloaded the file. Of course, for that you need credentials. So you need to connect with your client ID and client secret that you can get through your Google Cloud account. Okay, that is how you can get that. So once this is done, then we need to connect our Supabase account. If you click over here, Supabase, vector store, okay, and then we need to add a document to vector store. And here you will able to see we have option to insert documents, and then we need to choose the table and all these things. Okay, so how exactly I did it, that I'll show you, because this is something a bit tricky part, not a lot, but this is what important. Okay, so whenever I'll go here you can see I have already credentials added. If I wanted to add from initial, then I need to go on create new credentials. So once I'll go in my new credential, then I need these two things initially: the host and the service role secret. Okay, this is two things important. So how we can get that? For that we need Supabase account. Okay, this is what we need. And just you can search in the Google Supabase. Just go there, create your account, and you will end up over here directly. Just you need to click and create a project like this simply. So if I'll go here directly in my organizations, and if I'll click on new project, that is how the interface looks like. Here you can add your project name, and then here you can add your database password. That is how you can add that. Okay, so let me show you also N8N AI with Dhruv. AI with Dhruv. Okay, and password, this password you need to remember. So next time, whenever we are going to add as a memory, we need to use this. Okay, so yeah, I have added this also, and click on create new project. This is exactly you have to do once you created your account. Okay, once the account is being created, let's wait for a second. Once your project is created, because inside your organization now you have created a project, now you are done. Now once you, then you have to go in project setting, and here you will able to see we have API key. Once you come over here, then you have secret keys for each and every project. So here you will able to see secret keys. Just click copy, come over here and paste here. Okay, great. Again go back, and here we have data API. Click over here as a copy. Okay, the URL, this is project URL. Copy and go back, paste over here. Now hit save. Okay, so what the issue that we got, let me again check. And data API, that's fine. We click here again. Okay, so let me see again what the issue that we face. Let's create new publish, not this key. Let's create. Let me check again. Did we copy this exactly or what? And then again, let me save. Okay, so now we got, okay, so this is what we have to copy. Keep in mind the secret key that I did. And now here we have new account. That's fine. Once the account is being created, now what we need to add the document. So right now you will able to see we do not have any table, right? So we need to add the table. So this is the tricky part again. Remember, that is how we need to do. So you will able to create a table inside it. All right, let me click on docs, and here go downside, and here you have quick start setting for your vector database, and here you have to click, and here you have to come. Then only you will be able to get the, actually we need SQL file that you can ask ChatGPT also, and there will be an error also that you will face. So I'll show you step by step so you can fix it, how you can do that. Let's copy this, because this is, no one has told you, everyone just copy pasted and it worked in their cases. So that was done. Now we need to come in SQL editor, and so if I'll show you here in table editor, you can see we do not have any table. If I'll show you in database, we do not have any database, right? So all we need to do just copy, come in over here, paste and run. Once you run, either this will be executed, great, done. Our file as a vector has been created where we can upload our vector, but you can see the error, fail to run SQL query error. So yeah, intentionally I have did it. All right, so once you face the error, just copy and paste, go inside your ChatGPT, and there ask to give the code and give let me show you also. Fine, now I think you all are able to see my screen. Just give this code, okay, and give the error also that we have seen the same error downside. Okay, so let's copy and paste that error as well. Let me paste inside my here and give me right code, because this is where you all are going to face it. So that's why I'm showing you live how to fix it. Okay, so do not be stressed, it's just normal. And by the way, error is, you can see embedding extension and all. So just come over here, ask the ChatGPT, this will give the correct code, then copy and paste, and then that will work. So you can see it's writing the new code that we needed. And let's do one thing. If you want to change the document's name, we can change document's name as well. All right, you can see documents. Let me copy, and once it is copied, now let me go back to my yes, just I have cleared all and again copy paste. Let me run again, and now you will see, most probably, of course, this should work. This should work. Okay, so now you can see success, no rows returned. That's great. And now if I'll take you in database, here you are able to see. Yeah, here you are able to see. Now we got the document. Go back in your inside your N18, and here let me refresh. Let me click. And great. Here we have document, right? That's all. Now what we can do, we can upload the documents. Before that, what we need to connect with embeddings. Let me click over here. Let me choose OpenAI. Choose, yeah, embedding 3 small. That done. and we have to choose default data loader. That is also fine. Keep it simple. So the file type is JSON, but we are uploading binary file. This is a binary file. So click here, click on binary, and we are done. Okay, now just click over here, and yes, now you will see it will upload. Okay, it's uploaded almost 7 items. Now if I'll take you here, and if I'll refresh, I'll take you in the table as well. So here, let me show you. Here we got, and here you will able to see it has already stored the proper docs inside it. Okay, everything that we need in the different format. So yeah, just wait for a second. Okay, so now it's okay. So now here you can see we got the data. You can see all the information it has as a content, as a metadata. You can see all the detail it has stored over here. Okay, embeddings and each and everything. So yes, our one work is done. Now we need to create these particular things over here. So how we are doing it? Simple. Choose AI agent. Okay, and by default you will get a chat over here. Okay, because we already have chat over here, so we can click and we can go like this as well. Okay, and now we need to add chat model. You can add any if you have API key. Let me add the open router Gemini 3 Flash. In my videos always I explained a lot, so you can of course watch those videos how we can do that. And once this is done, now if I'll ask it, hey, let me refresh, and hey, do you know about Dhruv? You will see it will not answer as of now. Okay, so now it went into methodology and all. So let's do one thing. Now let's connect this with our Supabase, and OS vector store, and now account is connected, the second account that we have created. Okay, and what we need now, retrieve documents AI. Yes, use this tool to get information and table name, of course, which table, the documents one. Okay, limits and all, that's fine. And let's again connect. What we need to connect over here, let's connect with this embedding OpenAI. Yes, and yeah, everything is done. Now let's ask. So and now you will able to see it will go to my Supabase vector or get the information. Yeah, and here you got the reply in real time. Okay, yeah, so identity and current role, professional background, he just, yeah, I started giving, right? So that is how we can upload the data over, Supabase vector, of course, Supabase, and then we can use it as a memory. Now we can attach with any kind of things, right? Anything. Okay, here we can add trigger also. Key every single time whenever a file is being uploaded, like updated inside your drive, upload in your Supabase, and it will upload automatically because this will be live, and then yes, we can use it properly in a production level. Okay, I hope guys you love the video, and if I'll get a comment, proper comment, what I can do, I'll show you how you can add as a memory as well. So here if you will able to see, I have added as a Postgres chat memory as well. Here we need to connect with so many, if I'll show you here. Yeah, so we need to go with all these setup, and of course I'll tell you, I'll create video for you if anyone is interested. So in part 2 I'll explain how we can do that. But before that, I want a comment and like, of course, so that motivates me to create more and more videos for you guys in more qualities and up like better way. Okay, at a production level. But what I'll do, of course, I'll provide the JSON file of this particular workflow that we have created in this particular video. Okay, I hope you like the video. Let me know in the comment what's your thought, and just comment memory so I can create next video also for you. All right, thanks for watching.